Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new lesson. In today's class, we are going to do Chapter 2 Bay-Ein's Netzwerk book. Chapter 1 का वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है that you can watch in the playlist, and this is Chapter 2 Part 1. Let's see how many part we'll make for this Chapter 2. So alles neu. The chapter is alles neu. So what do you understand? Alles neu means neue Technik, Technologie. So in diesem Modul oder in dieser Lektion lernen wir über Technik, Technologie. Welche Technik gibt es hier? What are the different types of techniques here? Like we are using nowadays Türöffner. Türöffner, das ist eine Technologie. Türöffner mit Zahlencode. Door opener with password code. So das ist neue Technik. Und dann we have Walkman. Walkman, Kopfhörer. Okay, wir benutzen Walkman. We use Walkman. Kopfhörer. Sagt man Kopfhörer. Dann Spülmaschine. Früher hatten wir keine Spülmaschine. Okay, aber jetzt haben wir Spülmaschine. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. You can wash the dish utensils. Spülmaschine. Dann Einparkhilfe. Das ist auch ein Gerät. Einparkhilfe benutzen wir im Auto. Okay, das ist für die Hilfe, damit man einfach einparken kann, so that one can park the car. This is for the help. Okay, we use this device in our car so that we can easily park our car without any problem. So this device is called Einparkhilfe. You must have seen in your car, in your surroundings. So this is a very popular device, but very normal nowadays. So these are all related to the technology. And then Hawkeye. Hawkeye is also given, is also mentioned in the chapter. So I thought I should explain you what is Hawkeye. In the tennis match, when ball take a dip and then is it outside or inside, referee cannot figure out immediately. So they take the help of Hawkeye. That is also a technique, technology. Okay, Schiedsrichters, für die Hilfe von Schiedsrichters, for the help of referee. In the tennis match, we use Hawkeye. In cricket match also you have seen we have used different technology, different techniques, so that the decision cannot be wrong. Okay, to give the correct decision we use this technique. Hawkeye is one of them we use for tennis match. And then we have some different technology for cricket match. In different sports we use different technology. So that's all about alles neu in this chapter. Neue Technik, man. So we benutzen all. We use all these new techniques and new technology. So next topic that we'll do in this chapter, next thing that we are going to do in this chapter is also very, very important. Kaufentscheidung. What do you understand with? So we'll make first mind map. Kaufentscheidung. Kaufentscheidung means your shopping behavior, your decision. When you go for shopping, you want to buy a mobile phone. Sie möchten ein Handy kaufen. So we entscheiden sich dafür. How do you decide that which mobile is better? Okay, welches Handy soll ich kaufen? Which handy mobile should I buy? So we take different types of helps. Sometimes we ask our friends. Okay, wir fragen. Okay, wir sprechen mit unseren Freunden über Handy. Sometimes we read Kundenbewertung, customer feedback online. Okay, Kundenbewertung. Und manchmal vergleichen wir Preise und Eigenschaftenmerkmale. We compare the price and the features of the mobile. Sometimes suppose I need a mobile which is good at memory. Okay, Akku should be good, Akku should be strong, price should be reasonable, günstig. Ich möchte ein günstiges Handy kaufen. So das ist mein Wunsch. So this is Kaufentscheidung. How do you decide your shopping behavior, your consumption, what kind of mobile you should buy? I am just giving an example of mobile because it is given in the chapter. Okay, welches Handy soll ich kaufen? Und wie? So we can help. Suppose your friend wants to buy a mobile and he is confused. Er ist durcheinander. So how can we help him? We can tell him that you should. So here is the Modalverb sollen. We use the Modalverb sollen. So like he should, soll. Then we see further. So first we make mind map like Kundenbewertung. He must read customer feedback, Kundenbewertung. How the customers are talking about this product. You have seen online platform, we find the reviews of a particular product and then we decide, okay, whether it is useful or not, is it worth or not. So that is Kundenbewertung. Then we should do recherchieren. I don't know if the spelling is correct, so please check out. Recherchieren means research. We research, R&D. We do research, lot of research before buying a mobile phone. Okay, wir recherchieren. Then sich informieren. Sich informieren. We inform ourselves through various platform. Informieren. Sich informieren, wir inform ourselves, wir informieren uns, ob das Handy gut ist oder schlecht ist. Soll ich das kaufen oder nicht? So, sich informieren, recherchieren, Kundenbewertung. These are the things that we should discuss. Sprechen mit den Freunden. Sprechen mit den Freunden. We speak with our friends about the particular product. So, this is Kaufentscheidung. How can we decide whether this product is good for me? So how can we advise? Soll Kundenbewertung lesen, soll recherchieren oder soll sich gut informieren. So these are all advice. Unser Rat. Wir geben Vorschlag. We give suggestion to someone. In the book there is a person. Samira, I think, is the name of the person. So we should give her advice. Or generally we are giving advice to someone. Okay, how can he do the research work, or how can we help the person, okay, in shopping. So Kaufentscheidung, I hope you understood this topic, Kaufentscheidung, this term Kaufentscheidung. Entscheiden, there are two words, Kaufentscheidung. Shopping and decision means to help someone to take better decision regarding the shopping. So this is called Kaufentscheidung, and here we use modal verb sollen. Sollen we use when we give somebody suggestion. Soll, du sollst, sie sollen Kundenbewertung lesen, sie sollen Preisvergleichen. We also do sometimes, Preisvergleichen, comparison. Which product is better? We decide, okay, compare, and then Vergleich machen. This is very, very important. I think everyone do this. Whenever we go for shopping, we bargain or we compare the price. Okay, this mobile is of this much cost and has this kind of features. Another mobile cost this much and has different features. So what is suitable for me, for my need? So then I will take the decision. So Preisvergleichen, we also do that. That is also important component here. So this is all about Kaufentscheidung, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. We'll continue with chapter 2 again in the next video. This is part 1. So keep watching, keep learning with me. Bye bye, take care.